First snow of the season. Come on, Bonnie and Clyde. Look, they're a little bit freaked out. They've never seen snow. Come on, guys. All right. Now, when we open this door, this is going to be the first time that any of the ducks have ever seen snow. That all of the dark chickens have seen snow. Whoops. And it's also the first time that the goats have ever seen snow. Good morning, everybody. What is going on out here? What is all this stuff? Look at. What is this stuff? It's okay, guys. What in the world is going on, eh? Oh, come on, you guys. You're old. You guys have seen snow before. What do you think of it, ducks? Eh? All right, now let's let these chickens out. They've never seen snow before either. Here, I'll do it, buddy. Come on, guys. What is this white stuff, eh? Everybody's just mystified. Look, it's okay. Come on out. She doesn't know what to do. She's never seen anything like this before. Hey, what's the matter? You okay? All right, let's go down here and see what the boys are doing. Let's see what the boys think of snow. Oh, here comes the ducks. Are they going to go in the pond? Oh. Hi, guys. Yes, good morning. Yeah. Oh, now, Clyde, you're just a little bit jealous. Good Lord, so much excitement with the new snowfall. Hey? What's going on, Clyde? Well, boys, what do you think of this white stuff? Now, Forrest, you've seen it before. Oh, are you excited for your treats? Here you go, boys. We'll let you guys out when the birds are done eating because we don't want you stealing their food like always. All right, Savannah, I guess everybody's seen the snow. Now, did the new chickens come out yet? Or are they still freaked out? The roosters came out? Hello, ducks. Enjoy your day out here discovering the snow.